tendency to do that sometimes with my paintings. And then other times I don't know when to stop. So that's why it's good to like have it in your living room for a little bit. Okay, that's dry. And be able to look at it. Right. And quite often I'll get finished a painting. Well, it's never ever really finished, but you know, you'd think it's finished for a while. And I like to stick them in my living room next to my TV, so I'm looking at the TV. I'm also looking at my painting, and it gives me an opportunity to live with it a little bit. And then I go, okay, that's what it needs. It needs a little bit more of this or a little bit more of that. And that's a good way to do it, actually. It was great because you're letting go of what you'd already done. And you leave bits peeking through, basically like we have here. And then you're adding on top of it, you're layering. And it's the layering that creates the interest. So throw precious out the window. There we go. I'm putting little bits of green here and there. Let's try some green down here. Ooh, that's kind of weird, isn't it? There we go. Even these up. Okay. You always have to shake them. Always remember to do that. There we go. And get the big parts off. So what I'm doing here is not treating the canvas like it's precious. We have a tendency to get stuck because we know what the canvas costs. So throw precious right out the window and just try to enjoy yourself when you're doing this. That's why I'm just like, oh, let's scribble a little bit. Because we can put paint all over that anyway, so it doesn't matter.